How to make Twitter codes for Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a fake Twitter code for your Instagram profile. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have seen people post some of the Twitter codes on Instagram, on their story or anywhere else, and that is with the help of an application. There are a couple of ways to do this, but for me the best way that works is to download an application called Twitter Code Maker. When I search for Twitter Code Maker, I get this app called Fake Tweet Twitter Prank. So you want to make sure to download this application by Sargantana Studios, and after you download this application, just open it up. Once you download this application, open it up, it'll give you this kind of interface. Now just for the context purpose, I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi in order to block the ads, because it's a free version, so of course I have to pay in order to get rid of the ads. But don't worry, in order to make a code, it's very simple. Now first step is just simply choose a profile. So just tap on choose profile, and let's say that I want to enter a username, so I'll just go ahead and then select the username over here. Once I enter the username, I can also go ahead and enter their display name or any of the nickname that they've added to their profile. So let me also just go ahead and fill those details. Once I fill the required details, you can also actually turn on verification checkmark. In order to make it true, you can turn on the verification checkmark, and you can also correct the names if you want to. Now once you've done so, if you want, you can also search for real users, and I'll just tap on the save button over here. So as you can see, we do have a bit of ads. This ad is just inevitable, so I'll just skip the video for now, and we've basically entered this. Now over here we will simply edit a tweet, so we'll just go ahead and enter the tweet that we want to actually use over here. So I'll just go ahead and enter a random text too. Now once I enter my tweet, you can also add an image if you want, and just tap on the tweet button over here. Now you can select Twitter for Android or Twitter for iPhone or Twitter for web over here, and you can also select a custom time frame over here depending on what time this tweet was tweeted, and you can also select the retweet number. So in this case, I'll just select, let's say 50,000. And once I do that, I'll just tap on the save button, and you can see 50k retweets, and you can also see likes. So I'll send the likes to, let's say 100,000 over here. And once I do that, I'll just tap on the save button. You can see 1 million likes. You can also add a number of replies and so on. If you want, you can also choose a profile picture. So just tap on the profile picture, go to gallery, and choose a photo that you want to use for the profile. You can download any of the image from the internet if you want, and just edit the photo depending upon your wish, and just tap on the save button and tap on the next button at the top right corner, and you can see it's been saved. Now let's tap on the save button. Now what we can do is we'll basically just tap on the continue button from the bottom right, and now you can see this right over here. If we want to save this tweet, I'll just save it in my gallery, and once I save this tweet in my gallery, now I can turn on my Wi-Fi. If I show you on my gallery over here, you can see that fake tweet which you actually just downloaded. You can upload any of this. Now I can go ahead and upload this to my Instagram post, to my Instagram story, or anywhere else, and it's a pretty cool thing that you can do, because it's basically a very cool thing that you can do with yourself. You can also upload this to story or anywhere else, and that's all it takes to make Twitter codes on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.